we can all imagine like, and again, it sort of feels like the web scraper example where like say 1,000 agents are just kind of spinning, and they're just hitting your APIs, trying different things. I mean, again, I think there's a few things that make a ton of sense, like good error handling inside of your APIs. Like obviously don't like send back sensitive information that'll then get piped into an LLM. Think about like sort of how some of that stuff should flow in the error handling case. But telling them in that dialogue what the problem is can help them not have to guess or do a lot of guesswork. Um, like having built some agents in the past, I remember early on, I would just kind of pipe back like, oh, it's like a 400, like, or it's a 404, and then it would just try a bunch of different other things, like different permutations of what maybe some of the instructions it was given. It was like, oh, that's bad. You're just gonna keep getting problem after problem after problem. So yeah, having that clear dialogue, which really is the back and forth, even in error handling and error messages. And that also goes back to the good kind of schema, that tight schema management inside of your catalog, so that if it's using a piece of the schema when it's making a request wrong, it can understand why. Maybe again back to the birthday request. Maybe it's got to be like dates instead of date. It would error on that, but it would never know why unless you had defined that well or told it in the error handling.